Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Monty and welcome back to my Airstream. And if you're just come here for the first time, welcome. Today I want to talk about something near and dear to my heart. Well, that's audio. In this case, we're going to be talking about audio on my 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. And I really want to start from the beginning, so strap in and I'm going to give you the education that I wish I had before I invested thousands of dollars into audio on my motorcycle. Before we dive in, let's get something straight. Dunkin' Donuts sucks. Krispy Kreme is the one true donut, and Saturday is reserved for my ritual of Krispy Kreme donuts. Oh, donuts so smushed. And that's why Chief's so excited, because he's a fatty just like me. Chief, you want a donut? Like most people buying an upgrade, I want it to just work. I don't want to have to fiddle with it. I don't want to have to go back and forth to a shop to dial things in. I want it to just work off the rip. And that's what led me down the upgrade path with the Harley-Davidson Stage 2 kit. Nice. I'm loving the Crown Royal bag. Let's get some royalty-free music going. If you're really just curious about what I think of the speakers, well, they're better than stock. And that's good, but much improved, and I can hear them with my helmet closed. So the old amplifier, definitely a much better heatsink than amplifier, because the sound that comes out of this thing sucks. Well, we already know they don't offer much, but look at that thin. They're crap speakers, regardless of where they're made. So that's why we replaced them. So I want to take this time to answer some questions that you may have about the Harley setup. And one might just be, why didn't I just stick with the Stage 2 or just get the saddlebag lid speakers installed from the Stage 2? I'm an audiophile, and I knew that this Harley system was going to be a stopgap until companies started putting out more plug-and-play solutions. Like there was one company that had the required interface, and because they were the only company that was making it, they could charge whatever they wanted. And now, you know, there's some competition in the space. And, you know, I'm sure like he wanted to recoup his research and development costs. So, you know, I was like, I get it. It's business. The Harley system is not bad. It just wasn't for me. Baby, I just want you to get up. Long story short, there was something missing. And, well, you can guess.
Can I get a more power, baby? A more power, baby! Testify! A more power, baby!
I left for Roselle, New Jersey at around 7 in the morning. And should be about a 3-hour ride, or so I thought. It was one of the smoothest trips through Jersey that I'd experienced. Now for the fun part. That's the Cicada FLX 1400.4 P, because it has a DSP in it. In-house made oxygen-free copper wiring kit, and the in-house tweeter. And that's the Cicada CM mid-bass driver. Very grateful to Carlos and his team for letting me stick around and see this install up close and personal. So that's the CXX that I took out, and that's the new speaker that we're putting in. As you can see, you know, like the baskets look a little different, and obviously this has no inbuilt tweeter, which is why we're using the MVS audio tweeter for our install. So it wasn't just one person working on my bike. I had a whole team that definitely made me feel special. All right, so if you're considering the speakers that I have used, I can tell you a little bit. So the CXX is a full range speaker in that it has a mid bass and a tweeter in one unit, unlike the CMX, which is just a mid bass driver. So the sensitivity of the CXX, which is on the left, is 93 decibels. It has 100 watts of power handling RMS, whereas the CMX handles 250 watts RMS and has a sensitivity of 94 decibels. What's the difference of 1 decibel? What does that even mean? A 3 decibel increase in sensitivity means the speaker produces nearly twice as much sound when using the same amount of amplifier power, or achieves the same loudness with half the power. Now, tuning was something I knew a little bit about before coming into the shop, as it was a big part of getting my audio system at home to sound right in my room.
So that's the thing. If you can understand these things and explain these things to your client, never be disappointed.
Watching him tune with the pink noise was inspiring, to say the least. For as long as I've been playing with music, of course, I only do it with music. And when you're tuning for a repeatable response, obviously you can't tune with transients. You need a constant sound. So, yep, lesson learned there. This experience was not just, the end result that I was chasing. I really came for the experience, and they did not disappoint. I got an education, great service, and I'll be back. But that's for another video.
The higher the number, the narrower it affects. So if I set a Q of 7, it turns into a pinpoint. If I set a Q of 0,
Hello, it's Editing Monty, and sorry for the quality, but I'm just using the webcam. I don't know how you feel about AI, but I use it to make a thumbnail that I'm testing. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. Here's how that went.
Bruh.
Fear. It's something we all face from childhood. Monsters under the bed, the boogeyman in the closet, hell, even the darkness itself. But for me, it was something a little bit more exotic.
So initially I wanted to do my last video clip of the sound samples right here where, well, I got started. But yeah, it's not gonna happen because you might not be able to see that, but they're closed. I think you get the picture. It's loud. But we're not finished.
Have my role if I want to have my dignity. All the girls hot, they move like dancing is a language.
So, long story short, I love what the MVS team did for the audio on my bike. And I'll be back because I'm not done. And, well, if you have questions about it, you want some more details, you know what to do. Hit me in the comments. Follow me on Instagram. But thank you to Carlos and the team at MVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. And I look forward to coming back down and seeing what else those guys are cooking down there. Thank you for watching. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.